we from YSRCP party have been demanding the resignation of Education Minister Nara Lokesh Garu on all the allegations that have been made by various agencies, various people who have come out and spoken against the kind of exam that was conducted on the DSC. We have already made sure that the whole state has said their voice. All the youth that are involved, all the Gen Z that are involved in this movement have also voiced their opinion. The only thing we want now is we want a very clear CBI inquiry in all the allegations that are being made here, and also until this whole issue is sorted out, we want the Education Minister to resign and make sure that at least the next exams that are being conducted will be held fairly.
So you are questioning on DSC, they are questioning on APPSC. How do you see that?
APPSC, whatever subject is there, whatever Jagannath Reddy Garu has conducted in the APPSC, all that is very crystal clear. Now just because the whole state is questioning them, they want to divert even this topic. If you look at all the 2.5 years of the coalition rule, it is only diversion politics. Whenever you ask them a question, they will make sure that they divert it to another topic. Instead of giving the answer to the question that is being posed, they want to ask you another question and make sure that the whole issue is diverted. We are asking you a very simple question. Has the DSC exam been conducted fairly or not? If the DSC exam is being conducted fairly, how come a person who works in the department gets the first rank? Even if he gets the first rank, why didn't you give him the job? What are all these allegations that are being made on the sports quota? Why have you given a GO which exempts the people to write, at least take an entrance exam? And then why have you given another GO which says from now again you have to write an entrance exam? This is the future of a lot of people you are playing games with. So until the whole thing is sorted out, until we get a very clear understanding on what has happened in the recruitment of DSC, we will make sure that we fight for the people. Thank you.
The YSR Congress Party has been demanding for the resignation of the Mr. Nara Lokesh, who has done malpractices while conducting the DSC examinations. So we want Mr. Lokesh has to resign from his job. He has to step down from the job. The second thing is our main demand is let the third party inquire about the whole scam about the DSC. If the Lokesh is genuine, why can't he organize a third-party inquiry? This is our only demand. Let Lokesh wash his face with a resignation and come back. That's what I'm saying.
విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రి వెంటనే విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రి వెంటనే విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రి వెంటనే నారా లోకేష్ వెంటనే నారా లోకేష్ వెంటనే విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రి వెంటనే వెంటనే